Hey everyone, it's Nicole from the Crocheting. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this yin yang bucket hat. Before we get into the video, I just wanted to make a quick announcement. By the time I will have posted this, thecrocheting.com will almost be at 100 patterns. I just wanted to say a huge thank you to all of you for your support, for always sticking by me with each pattern. I definitely couldn't have done this without you. So if you follow me on Instagram at crocheting or keep up with my newsletter on thecrocheting.com, you'll be the first to know when I reach 100 patterns. We'll be doing a giveaway, which I'm super excited about. So definitely stay tuned for that. And so yeah, let's just jump right in.
With a 3.75mm crochet hook, you'll chain 3, which will count as a double crochet and your starting chain, and then make a total of 16 double crochets into the third chain from your hook. For the next round, you'll chain 2, and that will count as your starting double crochet, and then you'll go around and double crochet increase into each stitch around. So you'll be making 2 double crochets in each stitch. Round 3 will start again with that chain 2, which will count as a double crochet, and then you'll go around the circle repeating the pattern of 1 double crochet increase and then 1 regular double crochet. So as you can see, I started the round with a double crochet increase and then just made 1 double crochet in the next stitch. For the rest of the rounds, I'll be working on the white circle, but you'll be making the same shape for both the black and the white part of the hat. So start round 4 by chaining 4, and then in the next 2 stitches make a treble crochet decrease, and then you'll be making a double crochet decrease in these next 2 stitches here, and then a half double crochet decrease in the next 2 stitches. So you have a total of 4 stitches out of 8, and then single crochet a total of 6 times in the next 6 stitches from your hook. Then you'll just follow up with 1 half double crochet regular, and then you'll end with a double crochet decrease, and then 2 triple crochet decreases. So let me just finish up with the last treble crochet decrease of the round. For round 5, you'll chain 1 and turn, and you'll just make a single crochet in each of these next stitches across like this, just single crochet in each stitch until you get to the last 3 stitches of the row. And so when you get there, you'll just make a half double crochet and then a double crochet, and then finally a treble crochet, 1 each in those last 3 stitches of the round. For round 6, you'll start by chaining 2, which will count as your double crochet, and then you'll turn and you'll make a total of 4 double crochet stitches in these first 4 stitches. Alright, so now you have your 4 double crochets, but you'll actually just slip stitch here into the second stitch from your hook, and then slip stitch in the next 2 stitches from your hook, and then you'll turn, so you're working in those 4 double crochets you just made. So starting in the last double crochet, you'll make another double crochet, and then you'll just double crochet across again in those first 4 double crochet stitches. Yep, and then one more in the first double crochet. So it'll look like this. For round 7, you'll start with a chain of 4, which will count as your first treble crochet, and then just make a total of 5 treble crochet stitches in these first 5 stitches. So a couple more, 4, and then the last one. Okay, 5 treble crochet stitches, and now you'll just make a slip stitch in that 4th stitch from your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then single crochet in these next 3 stitches to reach the end of the round. For the next round, it's fairly simple. You'll just start with a chain 1, which will count as your first single crochet of the round, and then you'll turn and just single crochet into each stitch across. Just one regular row of single crochet stitches. Round 9, you're just going to chain 1, turn, and single crochet across, only for this round you'll just end with a single crochet increase in the last stitch. For round 10, you'll chain 1, turn, and single crochet in the same stitch to count as a single crochet increase, and then you'll just single crochet across, except when you reach the last 4 stitches, you'll make a total of 2 single crochet decreases to end the round. So for the next 4 rounds, you should alternate between a row of regular single crocheting across and then this previous row, row 10. To finish up, you're just going to chain 1, turn, and make a single crochet decrease, and then 1 more single crochet, and then you can just chain 1 and turn again, and make a single crochet in that same space, and 1 more single crochet, so you have a total of 3, and then you'll just chain 1, turn, and make 1 more single crochet, and then you're done with the shape. So once you've gone and made the black and the white shapes, you can go ahead and just sew them together with your tapestry needle, and then the rest of the hat will be worked from the circle. So you'll start the first round of the border of the hat by chaining 2, which will count as a double crochet, and making a total of 3 double crochets all in that first stitch. And so you'll make the first round by just skipping over 2 stitches and making 3 double crochets in the 4th stitch from your hook, or sorry, 3rd stitch from your hook. So here you'll see all these groups of 3 double crochets, and you'll end with a total of 81 stitches. So you're going to make a total of 6 rounds like this one, as you can see here, and you're going to alternate between black and white, and just making those double crochet groups in the middle of the previous round's double crochet groups. For the next round, you're going to stay with the black yarn, and you're just going to make a double crochet in each stitch around, except for this round your chain 2 to start the round won't count as a stitch, so you'll end the round with a total of 80 double crochet stitches, 1 in each stitch of the round. For the next round, you're going to chain 2, which will count as a double crochet, and then you're going to double crochet across for a total of 8 stitches, and then make 1 double crochet increase in that 8th stitch, so you'll have a total of 9 double crochet stitches, and then you'll repeat this pattern of double crocheting in the next 8 stitches and making a double crochet increase in that last 8th stitch around, so you'll have a total of 90. For the last 2 rounds, you're going to be adding a total of 10 stitches to the round. So for this round, we'll begin again by double crocheting in the next 9 stitches and then adding a double crochet increase into that 9th stitch for a total of 10, and then repeating around to get 100. And then for the final round, you'll also be double crocheting and ending with an increase for a total of 110. And once you've made that round of 110 stitches, you can fasten off and weave in all of your ends and enjoy the finished hat.
Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video or if you want to see more crochet pattern tutorials in the future, please hit subscribe below. Also, if you head over to my website, thecrocheting.com, we do have the 100 pattern giveaway coming up, as well as a bunch of super cool stuff happening all the time. So you can subscribe to my newsletter there or follow me on Instagram at crocheting. Thank you guys so much. Bye.